Learning objective. After completing this module, learners will be able to define Adivasis, explain the relation between Adivasis and development, elaborate Adivasis and stereotyping, discuss minorities and marginalization. Social marginalization. Socially marginalized. Marginalized is to be forced to occupy the sides or fringes and thus not be at the center of things. Mostly marginalized groups are viewed with bitterness and fear. To make certain groups in society feel marginalized, there are economic, social, cultural, and political factors. Thus, marginalization is seldom experienced in one sphere. Who are Adivasis? The term Adivasis refers to the original inhabitants. Adivasis are communities who lived and often continue to live in close interaction with forests. They are still present in numerous states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and in the northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. Orissa is home to more than 60 different tribal groups. They practice a range of tribal religions that are different from Islam, Hinduism, and Christianity. They worship ancestors, own village, and nature spirits. They are influenced by different religions like Shakta, Buddhist, Vishnu Bhakti, and Christianity. They have their own language. Santhali has the largest number of speakers and has a significant body of publication. Adivasis and development. Adivasis and development. Forests play an important role in the development of all empires and settled civilization in India. Adivasis had deep knowledge of forest. Often empires heavily dependent on Adivasis for the crucial access to forest resources. Adivasis are considered marginal and powerless communities. In the pre-colonial world, Adivasis were traditional ranged hunter-gatherers and nomads, and they survived on shifting agriculture and cultivating at one place. For the past 200 years, Adivasis have been forced through economic changes, forest policies, and political force applied by state to migrate as workers in plantations, industries, and as domestic workers. Forest lands have been cleared for timber and to get land for agriculture and industry. Large area of land has been taken under the waters of hundreds of dams that have been built in independent India. Adivasis are losing their lands and access to their forests, which means that tribal lose their main source of livelihood and are migrating to cities in search of work. Almost 45% of tribal groups in rural areas and 35% in urban areas live below the poverty line as they get caught in the cycle of poverty and deprivation. Muslims and marginalization. Muslims are 13.4% of India's population and are considered to be a marginalized community in India. Over the years, they have been deprived of the benefits of socio-economic development. they have been deprived of basic amenities, literacy, and public employment. In 2005, the government set up a high-level committee after recognizing that Muslims in India were far behind in terms of various developments in indicators. The report of the community suggests that Muslim community is comparable to that of other marginalized communities like scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Muslim customs and practices such as wearing burqa and fez make them different from others. Because of this, they are recognized differently, and some people think they are not like the rest of us. This becomes a reason to treat them unfairly. This social marginalization of Muslims at some instance is the reason for their migration from places where they have been living, often leads to the ghettoization of the community. Adivasi stereotyping and conclusion. Adivasis and stereotyping. Adivasis are invariably showcased in very conventional ways, in colorful costumes, headgear, and through their dancing. Adivasis have lack of advancement as they are believed to be resistant to change or new ideas. People believe that the Adivasis have a primitive background. This is the reason why many people believe that Adivasis are backward and they generally resist growth and development like others. Minorities and marginalization. Communities that are numerically small as compared to the rest of the population are called minority community. Example, Muslims in India. It is important to safeguard the minority communities against the possibility of being culturally dominated by the majority. The Constitution provides these safeguards because it is the responsibility of the Constitution to protect India's cultural diversity and promote equality as well as justice. Conclusion. There are many more marginalized communities in India, like Dalit. Marginalized communities want to be easily distinguishable culturally while having access to rights, development, and other opportunities. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. In this chapter, we have tried to understand what it means to be a marginalized community. Marginalized communities want to maintain their cultural distinctiveness while having access to rights, development, and other opportunities.